Welcome to 4300 Newton Avenue. This is condo unit number 103. We are located in Logan Heights, San Diego. This is an up-and-coming neighborhood in beautiful sunny San Diego. What we're going to be looking at and walking through here is a 4-bed, 2.5 bathroom condo, and it's going to have an HOA of $177 per month. Right out here out front, we've got a really nice patio, enough space to have all your entertaining needs, all your grilling and patio furniture. Going through the front door on the left side here, we are looking at our living room, our living facility, living location. We've got the mount for a flat screen TV, plenty of space for a couch. Behind the front door, we've got our jacket or coat closet. Put all your shoes, all your coats, all your jackets, let them hang there, keep them out of the way. When you have guests come over, you can allow the place to be neat and tidy by keeping the stuff out of the way. Right here, we're looking at the dining room. Put your dining table. You could easily fit a 4 or 6 person table in here. The kitchen is nice and open. It allows access and flow into the living room and the dining room. The appliances, they're stainless steel. They're very well cared for, in good condition. They all work. A desirable gas burner stove. And behind the kitchen, we're looking at our pantry or storage closet. This is utilizing the space that is underneath the stairs. You could put all your extra items in here. Has a good light in there, allows easy access and easy in and out. Outside of here on the other door off the kitchen, we're looking at our half bath. This is the first of our 2.5 baths that we have in the unit. There's a storage piece in there. You can put your towels or any toiletries you'd like or need in there. Real nice to have something on the main floor for the bathroom, especially if you have guests. Going up the stairs, this is where we're gonna find our 4 bedrooms and 2 other bathrooms. The master bath and large bedroom, and then we're gonna have the second bathroom that services the other 3 bedrooms. All the floors in this unit are new. All the carpets, I should say, are new, and the paint is new. All the trim and wall paint is freshly painted, so there's no repairs needed to be done once you move in. There is a stackable washer dryer up on the upstairs area. Makes it super convenient to do your laundry, being that that's where most of the clothing is. You don't need to carry it up and down the stairs, run back and forth. Off to the right, we're looking at our master bedroom and bath. This is a very large bedroom, really easy to move around, really airy, really bright. The windows allow it to feel much larger, and if you were to open the windows, you'd get a nice breeze coming through. There is a walk-in closet in here as well. It's got a few built-ins, it's got some drawers, plenty of hanger bars, as you can see in the video here. Lots of storage space for much clothing. There's some outlets in there in case you need to get additional light or plug something in. In this master bath, we're looking at the toilet off to the left. Really tall ceilings, I noticed, in the whole upstairs area. It makes it feel very roomy. There's very little for the cramped feeling. The stone countertops and the double vanities are really nice. They've been cared for. There's very little use and damage to that. The first bedroom right here, this is a smaller bedroom. You could call it a nursery if you have kids. There's a nice good sized closet, especially for the size of the bedroom. There's a nice window in there as well, allows lots of light in. We've got our bathroom. This is the last bathroom in the unit. We're looking at a double vanity again. There's nice stone tile flooring. And then we've got our tub in here and shower. Very neat and tidy. You can see how well the unit shows, especially with the fresh paint and the fresh carpet. The faucets, they are newer. Didn't look like there was any pitting or anything like that on them, which you can see in many units. The other bedroom, this is the 3rd bedroom. And the 4th bedroom, these 2 are about the same size. Something I noticed in all the bedrooms, for the size of the room, there's very good sized closets, plenty of storage for any clothing or whatever items you want to put in the closet. And there's also a lot of outlets in these rooms. You can see that in the videos as well. There's outlets on all the walls. You don't need to worry about finding an outlet or running extension cords. Where are you going to plug something in? Because there's plenty of the opportunities and flexibility. We're going to go downstairs, take a look at the 2-car garage. It is an attached 2-car garage. The water heater is in the garage as well. It is a newer water heater. It's been replaced within the last year, I believe. Also, this unit has central AC. Very nice, especially in San Diego. Many units do not have central air conditioning. Keeps your cooling costs lower and keeps the place feeling much more comfortable. You can see 2 cars fit very comfortably in here. There's plenty of space to add additional storage or shelving if you so need. One thing to note, this condo unit is VA and FHA approved, so you could easily get financing on it if you need to get financing in one of those 2 avenues. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.